Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make a collaborative playlist on the Spotify. So if you want to create a collaborative playlist in 2024, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Spotify, and first of all, you have to open any playlist or any song. Once you will do it, so let's suppose I added this. Now you have to click on the three dot icon, and here you will see add to playlist, and now you have to click on the new playlist. So I write a name collab, create. Okay, once you will do it, now you have to go to your library and search for that playlist. So here is the collab. Now you have to click on the friend icon and click on the make collaborative. So in this way you can make a collaborative playlist on the Spotify in 2024. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.